Hi guys, it's Miranda from the Medicine Hat Public Library. I'm the adult and community librarian. So we know a lot of you aren't able to go to summer camp this summer. So we decided to do a really simple craft today of making camp bracelets. All you're gonna need is a little bit of tape and some string. So before we get started, what you need to do is get 3 different colors of string. And I tend to use the length of my arm width. And then once you've done that, we can get started. Okay, once you have your 3 pieces of string, you're gonna lay them out side by side, and then you're gonna find the middle point of them. So right about here would be middle. You're gonna just gather that together, and so that way, you're gonna end up having about 6 strings. What you're gonna do, I loop it around my finger, and then I just tie a knot. Pull that all the way through, and I would recommend making that knot twice. So when you're done with the knotting, you should have a loop on the top and then 6 strings that are side by side. Once you've done that, you can tape it to the table. And I will show you the weave that we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna zoom this in a bit so you guys can see a little bit better what I'm doing. So when you're setting it up, before you start, the outermost string color, so for this example, we're gonna use green. On either side, you should have the green strings. They should be the outermost on both sides of your weave. Then, you're gonna have the matching colors as your second strings. For this, we're gonna use pink. And your third strings should also match there in the middle. So you're always gonna start with your outermost string. For this, that's gonna be the green one. And you're gonna take your second string. I would brace it against your finger, like this. You're gonna take your outermost string, wrap it around your finger, and then to thread it, you're gonna pull it, you're gonna go between the 2 strings and pull the outermost one up beneath the second string. That way, you might be able to see it here, you actually create a knot around your second string with the first one. And then you're just gonna pull it until it can go no further. And I recommend doing this twice. So over your finger and then under the second string to make the knots. Once you've done that, you're gonna move to the innermost string. And you're gonna do the same knotting. Over and under. And then pull it. Then do it a second time. Over, under, and pull it. So when you're done with those 3, your innermost string should now be the one that was outermost. So the green is now on the inside. You're gonna do that on both sides of your bracelet. So it's over, under, pull it through, pull it tight. So when you're done that, the 2 outermost strings should then be your 2 in strings, and the ones that were second should be your outer strings. So you're gonna do with the 2 matching colors on the inside is the same knot, but with each other. So it's over and under, and then pull it tight. And I would do that twice. And then you're just gonna keep repeating that same pattern with the outermost string. So this time you're gonna use the outermost one on the second again. You're gonna knot it twice. And then you're gonna do it with the innermost string. You're gonna do it twice until it's on the inside, on both sides. Now, this can take a while to do, but that's why I like doing it. I like to do it while I watch Netflix, to be totally honest, because it doesn't involve that much concentration once you get the rhythm of it, and then you can kind of focus on other things, and it's just something to keep your hands busy. So again, you're always gonna use the outermost string and move towards the inside. Now, obviously this can take a little bit of time, so what I'm gonna show you is one that I've already finished, and I'm gonna show you how to knot it at the end, so that you can take your bracelet on and off. So if you're wondering what it'll look like when you're finished, it'll look something like this. So I'll just see. See, it's cute. I think it's cute. All right, so I'm gonna tape that down. So when you're gonna do when you get to the end, if you're using this many strings, you can use more string. It just makes the bracelet thicker and with more colors. For this one, we only use 3. So just divide those into 3 sections. And then what you're gonna do is just a simple braid. When you feel like your braid is long enough, you're just gonna make some knots, to be honest. So you can knot it in any way you want. The idea is just to get it fairly big. So a lot of people, when they make these bracelets, they wrap them around their wrist, and then they tie them so that you're not able to get it on and off. What I'm gonna show you is a way so that you can keep it without having to cut it off of you. So you're gonna we'll zoom this in a bit to make it a little bit easier to see what I'm doing, because this is gonna be a little bit trickier. So you're gonna take your loop part here, and you're gonna take your braided part at the end, and you're gonna just overlay this loop over the braid so that it's about divided in half. I don't know if you can see that. Just like that. What you're gonna do is take the bracelet that you made, you're gonna put it through the top part of that loop. You're just gonna pull it all the way through. And once you've done that, all the way through, you should have it in a circle. Ta-da! You can just cut off those end pieces there. And then you have a wonderful bracelet. And because you have that braided part, you can actually just tighten it so that the bracelet, oops, zoom that out again. Ooh. So that the bracelet stays on. And then when you want to take it off, you're just gonna slide that loop up the braided part, and the bracelet should just slip right off. And there you go. You've made a camp bracelet. Woo! Thank you for joining us today in doing another craft. We hope that you enjoy it and that you have fun. And if you make one, feel free to share it in the comments below, because we'd love to see it. And don't forget to follow us on the MHPL teen page or just the MHPL on Instagram page. Thank you for tuning in today. See you next time.